In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add first name in Mautic. Personalizing your emails with a contact's first name is a simple way to boost engagement and make your messages feel more human. I'll walk you through the exact flow inside Mautic so you can insert a first name token into any email you're editing. Start by going to your Mautic account and signing in. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the main navigation and head to Channels. This is where Mautic groups tools for communicating with your audience. Inside Channels, select Emails. You'll see a list of your existing emails, including both templates and campaign messages. Next, click the email you want to edit. This opens the email's details page, where you can review its current settings and content. To make changes, click Edit. That takes you into the editor so you can modify the content safely. From here, switch to the Builder. The Builder provides a visual way to work with your email layout, text, and components. Find the text block where you want to insert the recipient's first name, often in the greeting line near the top of the email. Double-click that block to enter edit mode and place your cursor exactly where you want the first name to appear. A common example is typing something like "Hi," followed by a space where the name will be inserted. Now click Insert Token. Tokens are placeholders that automatically pull data from the contact's profile when the email is sent. In the token list, choose first name. Mautic will insert the first name token into your text. You'll see a placeholder rather than a literal name here in the editor, but when the email goes out, that token will be replaced with each contact's actual first name. If your audience data isn't complete, consider adding a friendly fallback by editing the token to include default text, so if a contact's first name is missing, you still get a natural greeting. When you're satisfied with the placement and wording, click Save. Saving updates your email with the personalization in place. It's a good idea to give the content a quick once-over for spacing and punctuation. For example, making sure there's a comma after the name and that the line reads smoothly. If your workflow allows, preview the email with a test contact to confirm the token renders as expected. That's it. You've added dynamic first name personalization to your Mautic email, ready to make your messages more relevant and effective.